Welcome to Medical Minds, your go-to channel for in-depth medical discussions and cutting-edge research. Today we will explore one of the most promising advancements in infectious disease prevention, HIV vaccination. With recent breakthroughs and ongoing clinical trials, the future of HIV prevention is looking brighter than ever. HIV vaccination aims to prime the body's immune system to recognize and fight off the human immunodeficiency virus upon exposure. Unlike traditional vaccines for viruses such as measles or polio, an HIV vaccine faces unique challenges due to the virus's high mutation rate and its ability to attack the immune system directly. Researchers have been working on multiple types of vaccines, focusing on inducing long-lasting immunity against HIV. Current efforts are centered around two main approaches: prophylactic vaccines to prevent HIV infection and therapeutic vaccines aimed at helping those already living with virus by improving immune responses. Now let's dive into the key technologies driving the development of an HIV vaccine. mRNA-based vaccines have gained significant attention due to their success in COVID-19. These vaccines work by using messenger RNA to instruct cells to produce HIV-specific proteins, which then trigger a targeted immune response. Next are viral vector vaccines, which use modified viruses to deliver HIV genes into the body. These vectors are harmless and serve as a vehicle to introduce the genetic material necessary to produce an immune response. The goal here is to induce the production of broadly neutralizing antibodies which can recognize and neutralize multiple strains of HIV. Lastly, protein subunit vaccines use specific fragments of the HIV, such as the envelope glycoprotein, to elicit an immune response without exposing the body to the whole virus. These vaccines are designed to be safer and more targeted, focusing on a part of the virus that the immune system can easily identify. Let's take a closer look at the mechanism of action of these HIV vaccines. The goal of any vaccine is to generate an adaptive immune response, particularly through the activation of CD4 T cells and CD8 cytotoxic T cells. For HIV, we are also particularly focused on the generation of broadly neutralizing antibodies, which are capable of binding multiple viral epitopes to neutralizing diverse strains of the virus. Several promising clinical trials are currently underway utilizing these advanced vaccine technologies. One of the most notable trials is the study evaluating an mRNA HIV vaccine. Preliminary data from this study indicates a strong T-cell response and activation of B cells capable of producing broadly neutralizing antibodies, offering hope for durable immunity against HIV. In parallel, the Mosaico trial, led by Janssen Pharmaceuticals and the HIV Vaccine Trials Network, is testing a viral vector-based vaccine designed to induce protection across multiple HIV subtypes. This vaccine utilizes a mosaic of viral components to create a more comprehensive immune response. Despite the exciting advancement, there are several hurdles in HIV vaccine development. First, HIV's high mutation rate leads to significant viral diversity, which makes it difficult for a single vaccine to offer broad protection. Second, HIV's ability to integrate into the host genome means that once infection occurs, the virus becomes hidden within host cells, making it harder for the immune system to target. Moreover, the immune system itself is compromised by the virus, particularly through the destruction of CD4 T cells, making it harder to generate a robust immune response. Scientists are currently working on ways to overcome these barriers, such as using adjuvants to enhance immune activation and exploring novel delivery systems that can better stimulate the production of broadly neutralizing antibodies. The introduction of a successful HIV vaccine would mark a major turning point in global public health, particularly in regions with high HIV incidence. Even partial efficacy such as reducing transmission by 50% would have a profound impact on reducing new infections. According to modeling studies published in the Lancet HIV, even a partially effective vaccine could prevent millions of new infections over the next few decades. The eventual goal, however, is to develop a vaccine that provides sterilizing immunity, completely preventing infection and eliminating the need for lifelong treatment. In conclusion, the development of an HIV vaccine represents one of the most significant scientific challenges in our time. But the progress we are seeing is nothing short of remarkable. With ongoing trials, new technologies, and a global commitment to finding a solution, the future of HIV prevention looks promising. Make sure to subscribe to Medical Minds for updates on the latest research and innovations in the medical field. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your network. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Let's continue the conversation and raise awareness about the importance of advancing HIV vaccine research.